This is the day of the inspection, the 28th, December 28th. We had rains last night, so we've got elevated water. Look at this, it's a river. Bisects the campus. We get damage to their bridge over the water. This is the secondary field. The situation here is a lot worse than the other one. A lot of disrupted soil over the field. You got fencing around the field, or maybe those are practice nets, damaged and destroyed. In fact, there it is right in front of me, buried under the silt. There's some cabling, probably for the nets. Significant amount of soil deposited over the level of the field. There's probably 12 to 24 inches of silt right in this area here. Here you can start to see the old field, the astroturf, and the lines. There's another silt deposit line. This is a football field as well. Looks like the far end is much better off. Still affected, I can see it from here, but it's much better off than this area right here, where it looks like the river just came over its banks and completely flowed along here, right along this area here, and through the fence and into the neighborhood down there. Talk about rapids. So here's on the upside of the river below the first football field. You can see the river came up over its banks, and this is how high it got and how wide it got. Look at the depth of the debris. It's halfway up the fence, and that is a 5-foot fence. So we're talking 2.5 feet up the fence. Two and a half to 3 feet actually. And then on this side, all those leaves. Wow. And there's the school.